Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to log out of Facebook from all devices. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook. And once you are inside the Facebook, you will be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. So in order to log out of Facebook from all devices, what you're gonna do is click on the three dots and click on settings and privacy. Now in the search box, type in login and click on see where you have logged in or where you have logged in. Now it will show where you are logged in, where your Facebook account has been logged in previously, or everything about the details of your Facebook account. So in order to remove or log out of Facebook from all devices, what you're gonna do is click on select all and you can see logout option. Simply tap on it. Doing so will help you log out of Facebook from all the devices. So this is how you can log out of Facebook from all the devices. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.